Hey everyone, if you're an entrepreneur looking to expand your business into India, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of registering a foreign company in India, step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to decide on the type of business entity you want to establish. In India, you can opt for a liaison office, a project office, a branch office, or incorporate a wholly owned subsidiary. Each has its benefits and requirements. So choose wisely based on your business needs. Now let's get to the paperwork. The primary form you need to fill out is the FC1, which is essentially the application form for foreign companies. This form will ask for details about your parent company, proposed Indian operations, and directors. Accuracy is key here, so double-check all your information before submission. Next up, you'll need a digital signature certificate, or DSC, and a director identification number, or DIN, for your directors. The DSC is crucial as all documents need to be signed electronically, and you can't proceed without it. Getting a DIN is also necessary for any director who doesn't already have one. It's basically an identification number for directors in India. After your paperwork is sorted, it's time to incorporate. You'll submit your FC1 form along with the required documents to the Registrar of Companies. This includes your certificate of incorporation, a description of the operations your company plans to carry out in India, and the address of your registered office in India. Remember, patience is key. The process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a couple of months, depending on several factors like documentation and governmental processing times. During this time, stay prepared to answer any queries from the Registrar of Companies. Once approved, congratulations! Your company is officially registered in India. But hold on, there's a bit more. You need to ensure compliance with local laws, which includes everything from tax regulations to annual filings. It's wise to consult with a legal advisor to keep everything on track. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to registering your foreign business in India. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right preparation and understanding, it's completely manageable. Good luck with your business venture in India.